Hello everyone. Let's now discuss how can we solve this problem. Maximum substrings with distinct start. So we are given with a string s consisting of lowercase English letters. Return an integer denoting the maximum number of substrings you can split s into, such that each substring starts with a distinct character. No two substrings start with the same character, right? So let us take this example a b a b, right? So a, B, A, B. This feels much easier than the first one and the third one, right? Now A, B, A, B, right? So every substring should start with a distinct character. So let us start with A. Now, if I started with A and I won't increment this, or I don't take with A, B, A, B or A, B, right? I don't take like this because I need maximum substrings. That's what they asked, right? So I just take this A. Now I'll just take this B, right? Now, can I take this A again? So it should not start with the same character again. So BA. Now, can I take this B again? As I have took this here, I can't take this. So I'll just take like this, and then these two are the strings, substrings which I can get. Now there is another example where it is saying A, B, C, D. So there will be four strings A, B, C, and then D. So there are four strings, so we'll be returning four. Now the intuition is if I have A, B, C, A, B, A, B, and then X, X, Y, Z, G, H. Now, if you see, I would take like A and then B, right? Just B. Let's take this B, right? Now, let us take it as C here, and then I can't take an A separately because I have an A here. So what I'll do, C and A. Now I can't take this B, right? So what I'll do, C A B. Can I take this A again? No, I can't. So I'll just take C A B A. Now can I take this B? No. Why? Because B is already there. So just uh, A B. This one string, this is one string, C A B A B, and then X. I can start with just X. Can I start with X again? No, so there will be two. Now I can take this Y alone, Z alone, G, and then H. So let us take all these substrings A, B, C, A, B, A, B, X, X, Y, Z, G, H. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait a second. And then 8. So there are totally 8. But if you see how many characters are there here, A, B, C, and then A, B, A, B already there, X, Y, Z, G, H. So here also I have 8 characters. So if I just count number of distinct characters that will be our answer. That's what the intuition is, and it is just a two-line code. I'll just count unordered set character st where s dot begin comma s dot end. This is a standard template library in C++. I'll just return st dot size. So how many characters, distinct characters are there in the unordered set? That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.